What's going on, guys? Epic Eagle here, and before I get into the review, I just want to say thank you to Jay Bonus for making this review video possible. You can check out their mechanical keyboards like this one and other products in the description down below. Here's the unboxing.
She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a ratchet. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I
As you can see, the box itself is black with shiny spots on the snakes and the company's name. So inside the box, there are some paddings and the keyboard itself. The keyboard has a strong aluminum plates with metal base and enhanced weight designed to keep your keyboard in a better gaming situation. This keyboard came with 104 Kale Blue switches, which is very similar to the Cherry MX Blue, but it feels softer and the keys are less wobbly because of the hinges around the cross. This is how they sound. The keyboard also came with a keycaps remover, so you can remove the keycaps and clean them or switch them very easily. The enhanced USB cable and gold-plated connector make it more stable and durable for long-term usage. The anti-skid mat also helps it from moving around when you use it. This keyboard has multiple RGB modes, which I'm going to show you right now. The first 4 lighting modes can be accessed by pressing Function and Delete. You can make the lighting mode only one color by pressing Function and pause. You can change the direction the wave is going by pressing Function and down. You can press Function up or down to change the brightness of the RGB. And you can press Function left or right to change the speed of the lighting. You can press Function and backspace to create your own lighting mode. And when you are finished, just press Function and backspace again. You can press Function and Insert to activate 5 interactive lighting modes. You can press Control Home for RGB breathing mode. And you can press Function Page Up to get to Mixed Color LED Changing mode. After you press Function Page Up, you can press Function Pause to switch to Single Lighting mode. There are probably more lighting modes that I haven't found out yet, so if you know any, just put it down in the comment and I'll read it. The keyboard is compatible with every version of Windows, Mac, and Linux. Another good thing about this keyboard is it's only $60 on Amazon. I would 100% recommend this keyboard for people that want a mechanical keyboard but can't afford a Razer or Crosshair keyboard. That's it for the video today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more League of Legends review video or Hearthstone video. And peace.